Hey guys, welcome to Lexus Sophia Leather. Just want to say thank you so much. We reached 1,000 subscribers, and per the title of this video, I am going to give away a minimalist wallet. Did this today special for my special 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Okay. I'll talk a little bit about this wallet and how to enter the giveaway towards the end of the video. This way you guys could watch a little longer, so it helps my algorithm, so I get more views and get recommended. I'm just being honest. So I'll talk a little bit about this wallet. This wallet has been in the making for about a year. I've tweaked it, I fine-tuned it, and this is the final result. This is exactly how I'm gonna start selling them. And I am gonna start selling them. You gotta give me like a month or two. I have to order some materials, some more parts. But this is made out of Wicked & Craig English bridle leather. The stitching is Ritza Tiger thread, which is the stitch that I love. This is a medium brown English bridle, and this is a medium brown stitch. This money clip is stainless steel. It's not a cheap China money clip. I think it cost me as a vendor like $9 just for that money clip. So I'm thinking I'm gonna start selling these around anywhere from 50 to 60 bucks, and that does include free shipping. But I am gonna order some dies for my clicker press, so I can knock these out a lot faster now that I zeroed in on this money clip. But let's talk about how to enter into the giveaway. All right, this is how you're gonna enter. This is, by the way, for the US only. I can't ship overseas or outside the US. So, US only. So, comment below why you need or why you want this wallet. Okay. Why do you want this wallet? Comment below. Try to keep it clean. Of course, do what you must. Even if the story's made up, I don't care. And then I'm just gonna pick the best sad story or the funniest story, or I don't know. Yeah, just comment below why you need this, why you want it. It could be funny, it could be serious, and then I'll just pick. Hey, I forgot to mention, if you're watching this on Instagram, the only way to enter is that you actually have to put the comments on the YouTube channel itself. Friday the 13th, 10 Eastern, I'll probably make a video or something like that on Friday, so at some point on Friday. And then we'll hook up somehow and I'll get your shipping information. But yeah, so thank you again for the 1,000 subscribers. That's all I got for you guys. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
1,000 subscribers. Come get your wallet. I'm freestyling right now. 1,000 subscribers. I wanna say thank you. This wallet is a gift to you. I'm rushing this song so I can put the video up.